probably be boring tomorrow. Anyway, I want to go outside and walk around. Maybe get some exercise. I just want to for the sake of it. This is a big pile of dirt and it has the word grounded etched into it. Huh, what an odd sight.
Hey Boris, I'm grounded and I have come out to get you for saying the word too much.
Grounded, can you please stop this with blueberries and whipped cream on top? You are getting on my nerves big time. Are you GoAnimate Logic trying to haunt me?
Boris, you just don't understand. If you say a word too many times it comes to life to haunt you. Thank you GoAnimate Logic. Aha.
Grounded, can you just leave me alone? I swear I won't say your name ever again.
Tough luck Boris, because I don't believe you. You'll probably ground Caillou or Rosie before the end of this video. I will haunt you. You've uttered the word grounded 1,337 times.
No, he's probably said that many more times than that grounded. Ha, you can't ground the Caillou. If the word grounded gets on your nerves, grounded, you are grounded.
Caillou, stop it. You are making grounded angry. You can't ground grounded either. Oh ha ha. Come on you pathetic silly boy.
Caillou, help, please. Grounded is getting on my last nerve. He needs to be grounded. Or something along those lines. Whoa. I'll give you a handful of Chuck E. Cheese's tokens.
Guess what Caillou, you are about to have something come to you that's a lot worse than being grounded.